Hello everyone, myself Dr. Goody Laishram. Today I will be talking to some of our medical students who had recently passed out their final year MBBS. So amongst them we have one of our students. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Gaurav Sahu,
Afternoon.
and I'm student of JNMC, DIMS, and I'm currently an intern at ABBRH Hospital. I live in Navi Mumbai.
Today I would like to ask you some questions and can you please share about your experiences regarding your hostel?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
are the hostel and mess facilities here inside the MIMS? Can you please share something about the quality of food, hostel, cleanliness, and safety and other
Yes, ma'am.
issues here?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Firstly, talking about the hostel and the mess facility in a hostel, I could like to go back to my first year diaries and point out the management and the facilities provided by the college. The college gives us a proper separate hostel for the first year students, which provide an extra layer of precautions and security to maintain anti-ragging campus and gives us an immense and adequate time to bond with the batchmates and their hostel mates, which are now family to me. And coming to the second part of the question about the central mess, the college provides a central mess facility where all the students, the girls and the boys and the faculties come and have their lunch and dinner at the centralized facility, which is run by a centralized famous food chain. My myself favorite is the shahi paneer and the chicken biryani dish, which is absolutely delicious.
Yes, thank you so much, Gaurav, for sharing your experience. And indeed, it will really be helpful to other students who would like to join the MIMS. And of course, safety and quality of food, everything is very much essential. So, coming to the next part, I would like you to share about the experience in the campus. So, does the campus have enough facilities for students to have a balanced life?
Definitely, ma'am. I agree to this question that first of all, I could like to say that our campus is spread across 125 acres of land with the immense greenery all around and concrete roads and good infrastructure. Uh, according to my experience, I schedule my day with starting with the clinics and these classes, and when I get free from the academic timetable, I find myself either in the library and later I go for some sports, some like sort of basketball or hockey or play table tennis and major students either go to the recreational building where they find themselves doing zumba or yoga or meditation and spend time with their friends and colleagues. So on the whole, it's a very friendly place and a very student friendly and student oriented recreational place to have fun.
Yeah, that's really indeed true that we do have a health club. So thank you so much for sharing your experience. So next, I would like to ask you about how are the labs and other academic facilities in Jain Medical College, Varda?
Yes, ma'am. When I think of the labs and the infrastructure in a hospital and the college, the first day when I came to this college and the anatomy dissection hall, which I can remember, we were divided into a group of 15, 20 students and each having one cadaveric body to learn from. And this gave me an adequate opportunity to learn and visualize all the bookish theory that I can. Now, next coming to from the dissection hall to the demo rooms in the hospital, I can clearly and with all the truth that I can see that this facility and the infrastructure is adequate and well equipped to give facility to the huge amount of patient load coming to the hospital. Each day is a new thrilling experience, and I am always thrilled about the fact that a new story I am going to listen in that demo room and a new experience to learn from him. And that patient is a new teacher to me that day. So,
Yes.
yes, the hospital and infrastructure is really amazing here.
Uh, then, as we come to the end, before we wind up with this interview, what are your like other experiences? Or, like, what do you feel, or how do you feel Are you happy with your decision about joining DMIMS or JN Medical College, Varda?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very happy that I've chose to come to this college and get enrolled and secure the seat in this college. This, honestly speaking, this was not my actual dream college to be a part of. But once I came here to this facility, I was in love with this infrastructure and the campus life. And this college gave me all the opportunities to make me a good doctor and polish me in every way possible to become a good physician, and hopefully I get a good score in NEET PG as well to secure a good score, a good seat in my post graduation.
Thank you so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
for giving your time, Gaurav, and
Thank you, ma'am, for
stay
having
safe
me.
and healthy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, bye.